Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update profile in CVS OTC account, member guide step by step clearly. To update your profile in your CVS OTC account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the CVS OTC website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on sign in to access the login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. After filling in your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Profile or Account Settings section, usually found on the left sidebar. Click on Profile to access your personal information. You will see several options, including your name, address, and contact information. To update any field, click on the Edit button next to the section you wish to change. Make the necessary updates in the provided fields. After making changes, ensure to save your edits by clicking the Save button. Verify that your updates are reflected on the profile page. If you need to make changes to other sections, repeat the editing process as needed. Once all updates are complete, log out of your account for security. Your profile is now successfully updated in your CVS OTC account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.